So this is a short video to demonstrate the Honda Deauville 650, just to show it's been road tested, clutch, brakes, gears, that kind of thing. Basically the bike just feels kind of pretty much as you might expect. There was a couple of things I wasn't doing to it, but basically it feels fine. What can I tell you about it? The front brake feels powerful and smooth. The rear brake is not binding. The steering feels nice and straight. The instruments seem, even with the tacho and the speed, seem to be working just fine. Although the bike's been sitting around a long time, the fuel in the tank seems to be enough to sort of keep it going. Anyway, if you've got any questions, just ask and I'll tell you what I know about it.